I'm going to show you how to charge a battery on a C6 Corvette without pulling the battery out of the car. We've got a Schumacher speed charge, and here's the car. First, connect the negative to the engine block. Then take your positive terminal and you can open up the fuse box and connect it to this guy right here. Alright, make sure I'm good down here, I'm good up here. Now I'm going to plug in the charger. Alright, showing it is connected. It's showing the voltage. I'm going to go ahead and, it's already at 100%, but I'll show you what you would do if you needed to charge it. You put it on 6 amp. Alright, now it shows it's charging. Thanks.